Hello guys, and welcome once again to this video. As usual, it is always a privilege to have you on this video. Today we are going to continue with the WordPress dashboard functions, and we'll be narrowing in on the media. Under the media, we'll be looking at the media library, and then we'll take a look at how we can add new image, add a new video, add a new document, and then increase the upload size. Guys, you don't want to miss this last one, increase upload size, because it is something that took me over 1 week to research and get this result. Right now, the problems that you are going to face is that sometimes when you finish building your website on local hosts, like I'm showing you now, how you back it up and take it to the live server always pose some challenges. So this is going to be the solution to that challenge. I just want you to stick around and I'll show you all in this video. So let's get started. So we are here on our WordPress dashboard. By now I believe you should know how to get to this screen. Alright, so let's go on. This is the media, and this is what we are going to be looking at today. And just pointing at this, I can see a flyout menu here saying media library and then add new. So let's begin with the library. I'll click on library and it takes me to the media library. You can see the images we have uploaded already. This is our logo, this is our Verve icon, and some other images, and you can see here we have a video as well. So it's giving us an information here, 16 media items. So let's just take a quick look at this media library. Alright, so up here you can see this is where you can toggle between the views. If you want to have a list view, you can click on this one and it will show you in the list form. So you can see all those things. It now has details that you can go through. Depending on which one you prefer, you can as well switch back. This drop down list is for you to this drop down tool is for you to use and filter. Let's say you have so many images, so many videos, so many audio, so you can simply come here and click on this, and then you see the different filters. Let's just say we have one video, so let's see how it's going to filter this video. I'll click on video and just look at that. It has now shown us only the video. Let's say you have many things, you can simply come here and filter. So if I choose images here, it shows me all the images without the video. Okay, you can also filter using the dates. You can see April and March 2023. Those are the dates that we have here because that's when we started building. So let me select April and let's see the videos that we uploaded in April. So you can see, and if you go back to the list view, you are going to see the dates. The date is all showing 04, and that is April. Right, so these are a few things you can do in the library. You can see all the images you have, all the videos, all the audios, and all the documents that you have here, and you can filter them. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is that we want to add a new image. I know we have done this many times, but let's just show you one more time for emphasis sake. I'm going to click on add new, or I still have my add new button here, anyone will do. I'll click on this and then it opens the upload page. So you can see here that it says drop files to upload, so I can easily go to my computer and drag files and drop here, and it will upload to my WordPress website. Or I'll just click on this and then it will take me to my computer. Whichever way is easier for you, you can use it. I'll just click on this, select files, and this is my computer, and I'm sure you know how to locate your files, because where it takes you to initially might not necessarily be where that particular file is. You can see where it's taking me to is downloads, and I have a bunch of documents here, but maybe I don't want to choose anything from here. I just need to go manually through this and then get the one I want. So let me go to documents, and here you can see the other things I have here. Okay, alright, so you can just use this to navigate through and get the things you need. I'll go back to downloads because this will have a whole lot of images. Let me check for one. So let me select this invoice page. I'll click on it and I'll click on open, and as you can see, it is uploading. Now it has uploaded. It is that simple. So from here you can use it to do whatsoever you want to do. You can attach it to any of the pages you want it to be. Now let me show you one other thing quickly. If you click on this document, it's going to show you more information about it. And remember, the other time I told you to always try and fill in the alternate text. Now this should be a description of the image or the video that you have just uploaded. Now the function of this is in case you have a poor service, or the person browsing your website has a poor service, and then your image cannot load, then it will definitely show this description. Alright, so this is invoice page, so you can just write here invoice for ABC. Alright, so invoice for whatever it is, so that if the person doesn't see the picture or the image, then the person will read the text and it will still make sense. Now you can go ahead and fill all these other ones if you want, the description, the caption, and everything here. Now another important thing here is to copy this URL. Now this is the URL of this particular image, and you can copy this and take it anywhere. So let's just try it out. Now it has been copied. I'll open a new tab here and I'll paste the URL and I'll hit on enter. You can see the image has popped up here. So that's the same thing that happens even when you're on a live server. You can open an image and then you can simply download it. So if I click save image as, it will save back to my computer. Alright guys, so that's it for uploading image. Now one last thing, if you want to delete an image, alright, let me go back. If you want to delete an image, you simply click on that image and then you come here and you can see delete permanently. So you click on delete permanently and you confirm with OK, and that image is gone. So guys, let's go back to our WordPress dashboard and then we'll take it from there. From here, let's add a new video. So this is our media. Come to library, come to add new, and it takes you directly to where you are going to select files. So I'll come to select files, and these are videos here. I'll select one of them, click on open, and it has uploaded. Alright, so if I go to the library now, I'm going to see two videos. This is the latest one we just uploaded, and if I click on open, you can see the link. I'll copy the link as well, open a new tab, and then paste and hit enter. You can see that my video is now playing. Alright, so guys, that's how we do this, quite easy. Alright, so let's upload a document. So let me try this. Alright, so you can see new, then still come to media. All these links are going to take you to the same place. Select, let's look for a document here. Now this is a document. I'll simply select it, click on open, and you can see it has uploaded. Let me check it out in the library. Okay, you can see here the document is here and it's PDF, so you can check it out as well. You can copy this and then you go to this place, paste it and hit on enter. But I'm not going to hit on enter because this is a sensitive document. I don't want it to open on this video. So guys, we are going to head on now to see how we can increase the upload size. Let me just show you something here. By the time you click on add new, now you can see what we have here. Maximum upload file size is 40 megabytes. So that means if you have something larger than 40 megabytes, it will not upload. Let's just try that out and see. I'll click on select files. Let me locate one video that I know is heavier than 40 megabytes. So I'll head here and open this. This video is about 72 megabytes because if I check the properties, you can see it here, 72.1 megabytes. So I'll click on it and I'll try to open. Okay, so let's see the error message. You can see it's showing here with the red bar, exceeds maximum upload size. Alright, so some WordPress websites will have this limitation. Some of them are 80 megabytes, some of them are, they just set different sizes, and like I said, after building your website you can get up to 200 megabytes, 200 plus. Some will even be as large as 500 plus. Alright, so what I'm going to show you now is what you need to do to increase this maximum upload file size so that you can bring in your WordPress website. So to do this, I'm going to head over to a live server and I'm going to go to the cPanel. To get to the cPanel, you simply type in the name of your website and then you add /cPanel, and it's going to redirect you to where you are going to log in. Okay, so if you have your cPanel details, you are going to log in. You enter your username here and enter your password here. So I'm going to go ahead and do mine, so just do yours as well. So I'm in now on my cPanel, so just follow me closely. But before we do this, I'm going to head over to the WordPress dashboard of this particular website. Okay, remember this is live, so I'm going to head over to the WordPress so that we will see the upload limit before we come over and do this. I'll just open a new tab. So I'll type here WordPress, so I'll type here name, then I'll put /WP admin. Here I'm going to put in my password and username. So I'm here on the live WordPress dashboard and I just want us to go and check. Let's go straight to add new, and here we are. You can see maximum upload file size is 80 megabytes. So this is what we want to change because this will give you some limitations when you want to upload specific files. Now I cannot do this on the local host because it doesn't have the cPanel. cPanel comes when you pay for web hosting. Okay, so the details will be sent to you. So let me head over to my cPanels. I already logged in, and this is where we are going to go about doing this. I'd like to remind you that you don't need to come to this cPanel often, okay, because you can just make changes here that might end up causing problems for your entire website. So please just come here when it's necessary. Now what you'll do is that we'll have to scroll down. Your interface might not be the same like mine, so just try to follow me closely. Just scroll down to where you see software. You can see here software, and you see different types of softwares here. You can see WordPress and all of this, but the one I'm looking for is this multi PHP INI editor. So I'll click on that one and it takes me to this page that says configure PHP INI basic settings. Now down here under select location, I'll come and choose the name of the website. Okay, that's the domain name, and you can see all these things that it is showing now. So I'll simply scroll up, and here you can see memory limit. Okay, memory limit is showing 300 megabytes, and then post maximum size, you can see here is showing 80, and that's the 80 that we have here. Alright guys, so all of these. You can also see maximum upload file size is 80. So what I'll do here, I'm going to set this to 512. I'm going to set this to 512, and here I'm going to do the same, 512, and I'll also set this to 512. Okay, so I've done those three things now, and those are the only things I want you to do. So simply click here, apply. Okay, alright, but before we click apply, let's go back and test this on the Lifesaver so that you can also see that this upload file size is real. I'll click here, select files. Okay, so I have my file here. This one, if I check the properties, it shows 109, okay, or 104 megabytes. So that's perfect for what I want to do. I've selected it already and I do open. You can see here exceeds the maximum upload size. So let me go back here. We've already set all the parameters we wanted to set, and I'll click on apply. Alright, successfully applied the settings. Alright, then let's go back to here, then I'll refresh. Just watch this now. 512. So guys, you have seen it. I know you might not encounter this yet, but this is a big problem to some people, and this was a very big problem to me before I was able to set this by myself after 7 days of research. Alright, so let's go back and upload that same file and see. You can see now it's uploading, right? It's uploading. Okay, so guys, that's been it. We have shown you all those things, and in fact this last one is the most important, because if you are always designing your website with localhost, you will definitely run into problems uploading it this way. So thank you for your time. I'll see you in the next video.